Today's video is going to feature some more amazing long to short hair transformations. So let's jump right into this video. I know how much you guys love these style videos. So first we see this gorgeous bob. Now this isn't a transformation, but I just love this angled bob. I think that this is gorgeous. She does have side swept bangs in the front, longer length in the front as well. And then next we move into our actual first transformation. So she starts off with like mid-length hair, and the stylist does cut the hair in ponytails. This is usually a sign that the hair is going to be donated, as you guys already know. So since her hair is being cut very short, yes, I was just about to say I think she's going to be doing a pixie cut with this one. This came out amazing. Nice classic pixie going there. And then we see this transformation from long to this gorgeous bob. She has beautiful caramel colored highlights mixed in with this one. Great way to kind of highlight and brighten up her complexion. Gorgeous side swept bangs there in the front as well. Then we see another lob transformation. So this one does feature bangs as well. So it looks like she's going with more of like the curtain style bangs with blunt bangs featured on the front. Her ends are dyed a little bit of a kind of brownish caramel color. So she kind of got a nice wispy shag with that transformation. And next up we're going to see another bob. Ooh, looks like she's doing, so that came out to be like a nice little silver ash color. I thought she was going to be getting like purple or pinkish, but looked a little bit more like silver ash. And then next up we see this gorgeous pixie. Then we get into another transformation. This one does feature a bob as well. She does have blonde highlights mixed in, blonde ends. And it looks like she's getting some more color. Ooh, gorgeous. So she got like purple, silver toned color. Very pretty. Then we see this gorgeous pixie transformation. So she started off with a bob and the stylist did cut it down to a pixie. Next up we have another bob. So comment down below, do you guys love to watch bob transformations, pixies, or both? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I say personally, I like the pixie transformations. It always amazes me to see someone go from super long hair to super short. It's just so satisfying. So next up, looks like we have another bang situation going on. So he is doing a nice fringe in the front. Yeah, so he is cutting that hair into a nice bob. I was secretly hoping that's what he was planning on doing. This is like a nice classic 1920s style bob, or French girl bob. That's very popular right now. Gorgeous. And then next up, I think she's also going to be getting a pixie cut. I just have a feeling. So she got kind of like a graduated bob or a longer pixie.